Today so far, I'm at $36. Yesterday, I made a little over $110. So far for the month, we have 480 cents with MaxBounty CPA Marketing using nothing but free traffic. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down step by step how I'm able to get these results without using any paid ads, no Craigslist ads, anything but organic traffic using TikTok and Instagram Reels, and how you can do the same. But before we get into this video, let me refresh the screen so I can show y'all these real results. Oh, went from 36 all the way to 43, just that quick. I just started this video probably not even 30 seconds ago. Today is Thursday, November 7th, it's 10 in the morning, so got a long way to go. All right, so before I even get into the step-by-step, first thing you'll need is a MaxBounty account. If you don't already have one, you can go over to maxbounty.com, or you can click the link below this video to get my MaxBounty guide 100% free. It'll take you straight to this Google Doc file where I show you all of the steps to go and get approved. So it's a two parts to it. It's the application, and then it's the phone interview. Here's the questions they're gonna ask you. I give you a template that you can use to make it a lot easier to get approved for. Reasons why CPA networks reject applications. I meant to put an S. Save your answers, check out offers prior, contact the affiliate manager, apply for other networks, blah, blah, blah. And the phone interview, that's the second part. So everything you put inside the application, they're gonna ask you over the phone before they approve you. If you do everything right, you'll have your account within 24 hours. But these are the questions they're gonna ask. Make sure you answer them fluently so you don't sound like a complete beginner. And then I also have my MaxBounty referral link to make it a lot easier to get approved. Once you got that out the way, let me show y'all examples of accounts that's doing the TikTok and Instagram Reels method successfully, which is working late 2024, going into 2025. You can go search this page up on TikTok right now. It's called Haters Love Bro. I believe this person is on Instagram too, but same strategy work. You could do the same stuff on TikTok and Instagram. So as you can see, this post right here got 7.8 million views. Let's click on it. Remote jobs, no talking required. Boom, Discord, Disney social media, Shein product reviewer. This is the affiliate link right here. You can find this offer inside of MaxBounty. When you type in SheinHire.com, it instantly redirects to the affiliate offer. Same thing you could do in creating this little content right here with the remote jobs. You could do all of this in Canva, YouTube moderator, Google social media support. So with these slides, you want to give about 5 to 7 remote jobs and throw in your affiliate link in one of them. And then at the end, you want to tell them, it's basically like a call to action saying, follow me, blah, 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 save for later. Boom. That's all they do in each and every single post. And what they do is mix it up. So they might go with the remote jobs, no talking required hook, or they might go work from home companies that's always hiring. If you click on it, it's pretty much the same exact flow. So they show a lifestyle background with a hook, and then they start like a little series where it's like part 1 all the way to part 50. And each slide, they just give different remote jobs. And boom, on the second or third slide, you would promote your affiliate product in. Super, super simple stuff, man. Like I said, you want to do at least 5 to 7 remote jobs. You want to use similar hashtags like this. So inside the caption you can really just put the hook of the video and then tell them to follow you for more. And then you can literally just copy and paste the same hashtags this person is using, or you could take a couple from different people. You want to put at least 3 to 5 hashtags on every single post, and you could upload the same stuff or the same format on Instagram. Let me show y'all my account. As you can see, my Instagram, I got 111,000 followers. I just posted probably like 5 minutes ago. So let me see, 5 likes, 2 comments. Click refresh. So now I got 21 likes and 16 comments. So I'm essentially doing the same thing. This is my post that I just did a few days ago that went viral. Got 1,000 likes, 700 comments. Remote jobs, no talking required, part 1. So I got an automation set up to where when people comment a certain keyword, I will send them, my autoresponder will reply to their comment, send them a DM, with my affiliate link. So that's an extra layer to it, which is the 2025 method, as well as this carousel style of content. So as you can see on my account, it's the same thing. This is my affiliate offer. This is the Disney, Yelp, Slack Careers, SeatGeek, Automatic, Buffer, and boom, call to action. Follow me for more job listings and share this with a friend. So creating this type of content only take literally probably like 5-10 minutes using Canva. Post this type of stuff 3 to 5 times a day. As you can see, this one got 200 likes, 80 comments. This one is at 30 likes, 13 comments. And so far, this one is at 21 likes, 16 comments. And I just posted this 30 minutes ago. So you want to post that type of stuff each and every single day. Also got a different style of content that works as well. So if we go to my Reels tab, that's my clothing brand content. Got 100,000 views on this. I just uploaded this probably the other day. Boom, remote jobs I bet you didn't know about, part 1. This one got 15,000 views. Where's the other one I was looking for? Not that one. Where is it? 650. Okay, right here. Boom. Remote jobs you could do at night, part 1. I got 4,000 likes on here, 247 comments, 1.8 million views. So we click on it. It's the same style as just me sitting down in the first clip and then showing different remote jobs. And boom, there go my affiliate offer. So I do that type of stuff, either showing my face or doing the faceless content like this, as well as on my TikTok. I got 10,000 followers on here. I re-upload the same exact content. So when I upload on TikTok, go straight to Instagram, download, and re-upload it there. Same hashtag, same captions. I just get more luck on Instagram. As you can see, remote jobs you can do at night, part 11. Got 15,000 views on here. Let me see if I got some comments. I only got 6 comments. That's that. Now, like I said, I make this stuff all in Canva, as you can see. And mind you, the templates to all this stuff, if you want to reuse it, is inside of my Endless Commissions members area. So these are the hooks. I made all this stuff in Canva. 5 immediate hire remote jobs, no talking required, blah, blah, blah. Remote jobs I bet you didn't know about. So yeah, I made all this stuff in Canva. It's available to use to all of my members. And here's my landing page, top brand reviews, boom. And if you don't have a landing page builder, you can literally copy this whole entire funnel to where all you gotta do is just change out my name, top brand reviews, change out the image, maybe change out the colorway, and now you got you a landing page that you can use. You got content you can use. Everything's pretty much done for you inside of my members area of my Endless Commissions course. It's a 15, I believe it's 15 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 13 videos in here going over this TikTok and Instagram reel strategy that's making me over $100 a day. I got TikTok ads in here, Instagram influencers, Instagram stories, Craigslist ads with for non-USA members, and the Black Hat CPA marketing strategy that comes with a private Facebook group. Now you might be asking how much all this stuff comes out to. Right now I'm only gonna charge $27 for this information. That's making me well over $100 a day. I know today is about to be $100 a day for sure. Maybe even close to that 200 mark, because as you can see, let me refresh the screen again. Let's see if we made any more money. Nope, still at 43. So it's only 10 in the morning. I know I'm gonna end the day probably around like 150, maybe 200, something like that. I don't know, we're gonna see. But that's everything inside the members area. It's only $27 to get access to this information. If you want me to upload day-to-day stats, just leave a comment down below so I know to keep uploading content like this. If you got any questions, post it inside the comment section. Try my best to reply, and I'll see y'all in the next video.